Hi, my name is Aman Kumar. I am from Haridwar, Uttarakhand. I have done my graduation in 2024. While searching for the job opportunity, I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd is an IT consulting and recruitment company. After getting more information about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, I enrolled to the on-job training and internship program where I learned about basic networking, virtualization technology, Windows administration, CCNA, ITIL, and Linux administration by the experienced IT professionals. After completing my internship, I got a job offer from HCL with a good salary package. I am very thankful to the eVision and the old placement team. They are very helpful and help me at every steps. Thank you so much.